how to buy crypto on Coinbase in 2025. Buying crypto on Coinbase is quick and beginner friendly. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. 2. Verify your identity if you haven't already. Coinbase requires this for security and compliance. 3. Tap the Buy Sell button on the homepage. 4. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any listed coin. 5. Enter the amount you want to spend. You can choose to buy in your local currency or buy the coin amount. 6. Select your payment method. This could be a linked bank account, debit card, or other available options. 7. Review the purchase details, including the transaction fee and total cost. 8. Tap Buy Now to confirm your purchase. 9. Your crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet instantly or within a few minutes. Pro tip, for lower fees, link a bank account instead of using a debit card.